We don't believe in shortcuts. For over a decade, we've invested in the tools, talents and technology to do things differently because we believe professional-grade equipment should be built, not just assembled. That's why our core components, barrels, receivers and trigger systems are designed, engineered and manufactured within our own facilities. This structure gives us complete oversight of the production process and ensures consistent quality, long-term product support and rapid response to customer needs. It also provides a high level of security of supply chain. Because key manufacturing processes are under our direct control, we can ensure stable lead times, uninterrupted availability, and dependable long-term support for our customers. Our internal workflow includes CAD-based design, precision CNC machining, material surface treatments, final assembly, and multi-stage quality assurance. Each rifle features match-grade trigger units developed by SACO. The design ensures a highly predictable breakpoint, giving the shooter repeatable control and improved safety. The pressure curve, feel, and travel are consistent every time. SACO ARG cold hammer forged barrels are hard chrome lined using SACO's proprietary process and manufactured in-house. This process enhances the molecular structure of the steel, producing a highly uniform bore and rifling. The result is outstanding out-of-the-box accuracy, extended barrel life, and reliable performance across a wide range of operational conditions. Every component we manufacture carries our name and our responsibility. That's the level of commitment we bring to every system we deliver, built with precision, backed by expertise.